Hi again. Hi. I thought we'd carry on from where we left off in the last video with our Scratch tutorials. A couple of things I want to mention. It's when we put these elements in, you see these drop down arrows. For instance, when space key is pressed, if we press that down, we can choose a number of keys on our keyboard to carry out the action. And the turns. We look at motion. We can turn right, turn left, go to, random position, etc. Glide, point of direction. Now, another thing I wanted to point out was, if we look on this side, we got the sprite, what it's called, the glow W, and then we got the position of the sprite. So if I move it and let it go, we can see these coordinates, the X and the Y, X being across and Y being up and down. We can see them move. So when we get to more complicated activities, we might need them. So we want it to go to this position. We can put the numbers of that position. Then also we got the size. So if I was to change that, the size is 100, and the direction. Right. Not quite sure how to use them, but I just thought I'd bring that up. Right, so we move on to our next activity. We're going to make a letter glide around. All right, so we need to choose a background. As you can see, again, we got all, which is showing all of them, and then we got different categories. Okay. I don't know if you can import other backgrounds. I'm sure you can, and we'll find out how to do that later. Right, I'm going to select the Jurassic. Okay, so that puts in our Jurassic. Then we're going to choose a letter. What should we have this time? Let's choose, let's have a letter. Let's see what different styles of we got. There you go. Let's choose a T for Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yeah? Can you see that green on green? Sure you can. Let me have a look. Yeah, you can see it. Okay. And now let's add the code. So let's when the sprite is clicked. Okay, so that's our first stage. Now we want to, because we're going to glide, we want to glide. So I think that'd be emotions. And if we look here, oh yeah, we've got glide. Glide sex 2. Yeah, so we need that one, not random position with the drop down menu. Right, so we put one there. Glide to section. Sex, I should think that means section. And we need 3 of those. See how they all click together? Different stages of the program. Oh, wrong one. No random positions, because we want to get used to the coordinates here. Yeah? And how we change them. Right? So let's put some numbers in here. So let's put 10 on the x-axis, right? And then 100 on the y-axis. And the next one, let's put 40 on the x-axis and minus 130. And our third one, let's put 10, and in the y-axis 100. Yeah. So when you move this, the sprite, you can see the numbers for the x and the y will change. All right. So let's see what happens. And he slides. All right. Let's do it again. It's the numbers changing. So that's how we slide. Now you can change these numbers around. So let's put minus 30 or 20. Let's put minus 90. And let's put plus 50. Right, so what's the coordinates? Change, change, change. All right, and that's how we do a gliding letter. A gliding letter. Hey, simple, 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 simple. But can you imagine how much fun you're going to have with your kiddies? Right, now then. That is really all there is to do with numbers. That's the final one. But what I suggest you do, go through these last few projects, change the numbers. All right, and just have a play around. I know this is a very short video, but I wanted to finish the numbers off. I got in the next video we got 4 pretty good projects. Imagine a world, we're going to call this, and hopefully that will take us a bit deeper into Scratch. Please tell your friends, especially those that have got children around 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 about this. You don't need a Raspberry Pi anymore. You can do it online, okay, with the Scratch account. So really, there's you know, you're not really restricted, and the kids are not restricted. Just need a PC with a Wi-Fi connection. Well, thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed this short, very short little video, and don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and please comment, and I'll see you later. Bye.